In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add or import a calendar to Outlook 365. First, open Outlook and sign in to your Microsoft account. Click the calendar icon from the left navigation pane. In the calendar view, click Add Calendar. You'll see options to subscribe from web or upload from file. If you have a calendar link, choose Subscribe from web, paste the calendar URL, give the calendar a name if you want, and click Import or Add. If you have an ICS calendar file saved on your computer, choose Upload from File. Select the file, choose the calendar where you want to import the events, and click Import. After the import is complete, your new calendar and its events will appear in Outlook, and you can manage it alongside your existing calendars. That's how to add or import a calendar to Outlook 365. Thanks for watching.